Hello students, today in 12th class I am taking the mass defects. Mass defect. The actual mass of nucleus is equal to the sum of mass of its nucleons the actual mass of nucleus is equal to the sum of mass of its nucleons. So actual mass equal to mass of protons plus mass of neutrons. So actual mass M is equal to Z into MP plus N into Mn, or we can say that this Z into Mp plus A minus Z into Mn. This is equal to M, where Z equal to atomic number and A equal to atomic mass or mass number. Mp mass of proton and Mn mass of neutron. So this is the actual mass and the observed mass equal to the mass of nucleus measured by mass spectrograph. So observed mass equal to capital N, mass of the nucleus measured by mass spectrograph. So this is what we measure by whatever we find experimentally. This is the experimental value of mass. It means experimental value of mass. So we know that experimental value is always the true value, and this is more reliable. The observed mass of nucleus is always less than its actual mass, and it is called mass defect. The observed mass of nucleus is always less than its actual mass. Actual mass that I told you. So mass defect is equal to the actual mass of nucleus minus observed mass of nucleus. So this delta n is equal to sigma m minus capital M. Observed mass is always less. This is less than this, the actual mass. What should happen that whatever we measure by experiments, that must be equal to the actual value or the total number of total mass of the nucleus of the nucleus. But this is found that they are not equal. There is some difference. The actual mass is always more than the observed mass. So this mass difference is called the mass defect, or this we can say this Z into MP plus A minus Z into Mn. This is delta M minus capital M. This is delta M. So why this mass defect is there? Why the observed mass and actual mass are not equal? This is the very serious question. Actually, this mass defect, according to Einstein, always is converted into the energy that is called the nuclear binding energy. According to Einstein, this mass defect is converted into energy that holds the nucleons together, and it is called the nuclear binding energy. It is called nuclear binding energy. So we see that the mass defect is equal to the actual mass of nucleus minus observed mass of nucleus is equal to so much. According to Einstein, this mass defect is converted into energy that holds the nucleus together, and it is called the nuclear binding energy. So the energy E is equal to delta M into C square. C is speed of light, or this E equal to Z into MP plus A minus Z into Mn into C square. This is the expression. So this is the mass defect, and this mass defect is due to, this happens in all kinds of nucleus. So this binding energy exists in all nucleus. Since there are the protons and neutrons in the nucleus and they are held together by this, it means that there must be something which is responsible for holding all the nucleons. So this is the term, that is what we call the nuclear binding energy. So now I will take the next topic. So this one is the nuclear binding energy. You like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.